Yellow. What is that? What is that? Yours, okay. Katie, say hi.
Hi.
How are you? Is your Jello good?
Uh-huh.
What does it taste like?
Tastes good.
And how are you, Todd? That's attractive. How does your patootie feel? You're not sore? What does that say about you? Ari! Hi! There she comes. Where are you going? Watch out, Katie. Ariel, why are you going back there?
Right beside me. He just went through all the same thing I went through yesterday. I told him that his colon still wasn't clean enough. So we have to come back and try it again.
I'm gonna try and eat.
Ariel, say yoy 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 yoy.
Fatty substance sticking to the side of his colon.
I want to try and eat.
Yoy 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 yoy.
I'm gonna go outside and eat.
No, bugs will get it.
Red Jello.
Give me a sexy smile. That's not sexy. That's constipated. Is that good, Jakey?
Cool. Let me see Jacob. Let me see me. Jacob. Where's my yogurt? Where's my yogurt?
You gotta put it in front of the camera. In front of the camera, honey, not there. In front of the camera. Over here, see? Where is it? No, no, in front, like that.
Movie. Pretty bad.
What?
Nighttime, I can't play it. I gotta turn it on.
What?
Resident Evil has zombies.
Mila Jovovich is negative. In a second.
What's his name? Tell me you see that night. Night.
Chandler?
Chandler.
Yeah, he's the one who made me watch it.
There goes Ariel.
I don't know anymore. We'll talk to him tomorrow.
Ariel!
Oh, wow, look at that mess.
Come back here.
That's lovely. That's a lovely mess you made.
You in your dress.
Let me see.
Somebody dropped something. Who did this? Did you drop it? I don't think Jakey was over here.
I did.
Oh.
Now watch, he'll eat it. Ooh. Ooh, the baby. You okay?
Jello's kind of weird taste. Wish I could find memory.
Jacob!
I ever touched it. I ever touched it. I ever touched it. I want to go. Yeah, come.
Now that's a picture to treasure.
Yeah. Stop! It's trying my Jello. Oh, stop it! Stop it! Stop! I'm trying my Jello.
Eat your Jello then.
Stop it!
Eat your Jello.
Stop!
Tell him you'll beat him up.
Come on, do some sit-ups.
Ow!
Sit-ups.
Ow! You're hurting my boob.
What boo-boo?
She's got a boo-boo on the side of her one foot.
No. Ow.
Hey, send that to children and youth.
Mix.
Little baby's clutching the back of the I'll send that to the tobacco, against tobacco industry.
No, it smells like funnel cake.
Hear Ashton yelling this morning.
Why?
Doesn't it smell
I
like...
hear her screaming top of her lungs, "Get your effing hands off me!" and screaming.
My job.
Let's go back into the street.
Where you going, hon? I see Katie. Woo! Take out your tongue. Who do you look like? Jakey, what you doing? What? Ooey, what'd you do?
You can go right at your ass. He's gonna be a show tune when he grows up.
Just like his Uncle Timmy.
I don't want my Jumbo. I don't want my Jumbo anymore.
Well, you're gonna eat it.
Tim, she's got a lid.
She sure does.